Oh, Big Vance, you ready?
What's going on, Diaz?
It's time for you to revenge the death of that girl of yours and bring the whole Mendez operation down. You want a bump, man?
No.
Well, I do.
Jesus.
My spies tell me everything. This is the plan. The army just took delivery of some new attack helicopters. Meanwhile, Diego Mendez thinks he's untouchable just because no one could get him from the ground. So,
how about I sneak into the army base, steal a chopper, and use that to attack him?
Si, senor.
Si, senor. Are you kidding me? That coke is doing something to your brain, buddy.
No, it just helps me think and get it on. It'll be easy, but you need help. What about Quentin? He can fly?
No thanks. Wait, I know. What about this guy, Phil? He's an old army buddy of mine.
I love him. Go get him.
All right.
This is it, man. No more Mendez. No more trouble for us. Ha ha ha! Oh.
Eddie, soldier. Did my wife send you?
Phil, I don't know what to say. I'm going after Diego Mendez. I wouldn't ask for help if I didn't need it, but I need it. There's an attack copter up at the base. If I can get hold of it...
You need a decoy. Then I got all the decoy you're gonna need.
Sometimes you have to get on your...
Chris falls in love with a handicapped speedboat champion, showing his calm side. When they're not
I can't believe she's gone. Sorry, Vic. She was a good soldier. A good sister, I mean.
with his fists.
I'm gonna hit you, then make love to you.
She knows how to get answers with her lips.
I know how to get you to tell me where the diamonds are hidden.
Oye, Bunny Knight, you ninja slut. Yes, I caída. I hide the diamonds and I kill the professor.
Now tell me, where are the diamonds?
I oh my lord.
Tuesday night at Silver Bulls, Angel and a Knight.
This is Trish the First and Adam the Second show on the way.
Bespeak my name again, and it shall be your last breath, woman. I'm Adam First.
You're not gonna do anything stupid, are you, man?
We're breaking into a military base and I'm drunk. What could be more stupid? Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. Louise! Yeah! Suck on that!
What is the heart on this thing?
Hey, Stiff.
Mendez is downtown. His place is like a fortress. But this baby, she'll tear the whole building down.
Great! When I'm done, we're done. Lance and I will owe you nothing.
When you're done, I'm gonna own this town. It's the American dream. And it's all because of you, Vic. You're a hero.
No, I'm an asshole. I spent all my time running around, making morons rich, while my family fell apart and the woman I wanted died waiting for me to call.
Woman, you need some porn? I just got in some crazy donkey porn. You'll love it. I'll be finished with it by the time you get back.
I'm not coming back, Diaz. And I'm not doing this for you. I'm doing it for me.
Woohoo! Whatever you say, tough guy. I'll see you around.
Motherfucker! Yep, I'm gonna shoot you. Shit yourself. Last chance to draw a breath. Yes, it does, Cliff.
You would've lost a minute in Bolivia.
Hey,
This, my friend, is your execution.
bye, asshole.
I'm not your finger in the dirt.
This ain't no movie, and this ain't no kid's toy. Just clean the shit. I'm ending this interaction.
Looks like Vic's partying without me! Sweep the building! Flush that turd up to the roof so I can finish this!
I see you.
¡Córranle!
Yeah, you understand now, huh? Hey, Pete. Not a rehearsal.
Ten hut! Vic! I swear to God, I thought you were gonna salute me! Toss the gun!
Fuck you.
Vic, still so uptight. You know what your problem is? You're trying to be the good guy in a bad man's game. Huh? I thought you had potential. Turns out you're just another chump, like Mendez.
Me cago en tu madre.
Oye, ese. ¿Qué hay de nuevo?
Vete a la mierda.
You first.
Oh, yeah. It's loaded. That's it for you, bitch. Oh! This might sting a little.
Thanks for everything, Martinez. You're a great help.
Okay, brother, let's waste these punks!
Lance, it's done!
Playtime is over, bitches! Lance fans is about to get brutal on you, and when Lance fans gets brutal on a lady, somebody starts to cry!
Lance, will you shut up? It's over!
What? Oh! Well, we did it, baby! You and me!
Yeah! Hey, listen. Now that things are straight with Diaz, we should get out of town or lay low for a little while, you know?
Yeah, you're right, man!
Look, I'm gonna send some money to Pete.
Cool! But bro, I don't want you thinking it's just about you. That is all about you!
Hey, I don't. It's about you, me, Pete, Mom, wherever the hell she is.
But wait! I've been making moves! I got a hold of 20 keys,
Are
man.
you crazy? Get rid of it!
No! All we gotta do is sit on it! It's hidden out of sight! Out of town, man! We lay low and then sell it!
No! I am not interested! Got it?
Okay, man! Whatever you say!
That's right!
Come on! Let's pop!